Last week I teased you with two main motivators that drive what we do and why we take action. Well, these are general categories. Before I share motivators that are supported by multiple studies, I want to share a few thoughts that can cloud how you discover motivational factors in your people. Here's what I mean. I have leaders across the country who say, I want to increase workplace engagement. How do I motivate my employees? Let's take a high performer. High producer who appears successful and is likely generating solid revenue for the business. The same individual has high demands for more time off, has low engagement with other team members, and has low collaboration. This can create gaps in your culture, leading to team members' misalignment with core values and behaviors. What's more important, quantity or quality? On the other side, you might have a lower performing employee who embodies and demonstrates behavioral characteristics that align with the values of the culture and drive cohesive collaboration in the team. Now what? Well, motivation is not a one-size-fits-all. You have employees who likely have different motivators. But how do you discover these different motivators? Motivation is simple. It is our drive to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Think about that statement when I tell you about the common motivators. These include things like having a sense of purpose, the opportunity to learn new things, earning more money, receiving recognition, being acknowledged, and having freedom or autonomy. So here's the question again. How do I motivate or find out what motivates my people? Here's my response. Have you ever considered that you may be asking the wrong question? Your people are already motivated. The question you need to be asking is, how do I unleash their already existing motivation? By learning more about the specific characteristics and behaviors that define these motivators. Join me over the next few weeks when I share basic tips that you can use to look at what motivates your people.